The 1937 Canadian $2 note featuring King George VI marked a turning point in Canadian currency design. Issued by the Bank of Canada on the 2nd of January 1937, it introduced a fully bilingual layout, with English on the left and French on the right, a deliberate gesture toward national unity. The Bank of Canada itself had only been established 2 years earlier in 1935 to bring stability and central oversight to the nation's financial system. The portrait of King George VI, engraved in fine detail, dominates the front, surrounded by ornate scrollwork and an orange-red background. On the reverse, an allegorical female figure represents agriculture. She is seated among wheat, fruit and livestock, a graceful tribute to Canada's rural prosperity. Although bilingual notes had appeared earlier from other issuers, and as separate English or French versions in the 1935 Bank of Canada series, this 1937 issue was the first Bank of Canada note to combine both languages on a single design. At the same time, some chartered banks continued to issue their own notes, a legacy of Canada's earlier banking era. These privately issued notes remained in limited circulation, but were gradually withdrawn. By 1944, the Bank of Canada had become the sole issuer of Canada's national currency.